Good day. This document provides a formal overview of the key functionalities within the Señoras Restaurant Administrative Panel. So first is the dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub for business performance monitoring. So as you can see, there are summary cards. These widgets displays critical key performance indicators. So first is today's sales. A detailed breakdown of revenue generated within the current day. And next is monthly revenue. A comprehensive overview of financial performance for the month. Items sold today, the total quantity of menu items sold and order placed today including top selling items. Total customer serves, the cumulative number of customer served. So here, sales analytics, an interactive chart providing detailed sales trends. User can hover over data points for specifics. And at the right, top sellers, the analytics this section lists the most frequently purchased items. And scroll clickable card that when selected reveals a list of products with low or zero sales velocity. And next is the menu management. This module is dedicated to managing ingredients and menu items. And here, add new item, a button to create and introduce new menu offerings. Search and filter, functionality to locate specific menu items efficiently. And hovering over a menu item reveals action buttons for edit, modify the item's details, manage ingredients, define and adjust the component ingredients and their acquired quantities for the item, set active or disable, control the item's visibility and availability, and last is remove the menu item. Next is the inventory management. This section provides oversight of all stock items. And as you can see, there are summary cards, clickable widgets showing totals for total inventory items, item in stock, items with limited stock, and items with out of stock. A button here at the top, it can add new products to the inventory. Search and filter tools to navigate inventory items. And there is a transaction logs, a separate tab logging all in, restock and out, sold or used inventory movements. And here, user management. This module manages system users' accounts displaying total of users, administrators, and active users. And next is the staff management. This section handles staff records. And here button, add staff, a button to register new staff members with their full details. And here are the staff table. Display all staff members including their personal information, account details, status, and some options. Next is the analytics and reports. An advanced module for tracking all sales data and generating detailed reports. The users can select the report type, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. For daily reports, you can select a specific date. And at the bottom, when scrolling, reveals the detailed report for the selected type. And here are the top menu items, the best-selling items for the chosen report period. And next is the backup and restore. Here, this utility is designed for safeguarding data, allowing users to back up the database and restore from previous backups. Recent backups are displayed for selection. And next is the activity logs, a comprehensive audit trail that tracks and displays all users' action within the system, as you can see here. And next is the facts management. Manage the frequently asked questions displayed on the restaurant's public website. And next is the operations. This section covers real-time restaurant functions. First is the kiosk, start kiosk system. It launches the customer's facing self-ordering kiosk interface. Next is the current orders. Display all customers' orders, paid or unpaid, showing details like order number and status. Chat, example, preparing or ready. And next is the cash payment. It processes cash transactions, display order details and applied discounts. And stop can validate or remove discount, as you can see here. The payment flow involves entering the amount needed, proceeding with the transaction and printing the receipt. So, you can see here. So that's it. And cashless payments function similarly to cash payments with dedicated interface for card and e-wallet transactions. Shows the total amount of pending cashless payments. And next is the recent transaction. List of all completed and served orders. It includes functionality to print customer receipts. So next is the table management. Provides a visual status of tables like available or occupied. Staff can manually update statuses such as marking a table as occupied for a reservation or available after dine-in. Next is the kitchen view. It displays the cooking queue for the kitchen staff, showing detailed orders, items, and quantities. Once an item is clicked as now preparing, it moves through the workflow and can eventually be marked for serving. For this demonstration, the waiting for kitchen status progresses to complete order. So you can see here. And next is the queue monitor. The customer facing display showing now serving and preparing orders. The preparing status aligns with the kitchen view. When kitchen staff clicks now preparing, the status updates accordingly on the monitor. So this concludes the overview of the Señora's Restaurant Administrative Panel, and thank you.